It's another match day, another heart-pumping rendezvous in the USL League One. It's Charlotte Independence heading west for a tangle with Colorado Hailstorm here today on ESPN+. This season with injury in steps Brack Evans, it's a little bit of a shuffled team for a side in the year, but nobody more important in the squad than J.C. Obregon in the vanguard at the 9 today. There's familiarity. That doesn't necessarily mean friendship. There's always a lot of goals when Northern Colorado and Charlotte Independence get together. The ball moves, we move, and on we go from Windsor. Corner kick brought to you by Meadow Gold. Only 8 heading into this one for Northern Colorado. This is the near post. Chelo Martinez can't enter the area. Back to Powder, ball in, flicked on, pushed over the bar by Austin Pack. We're moving down to USL League One. That's good pressure. Shots away, and just off the mark, Chelo Martinez. Thing we're missing in the midweek, Northern Colorado. Driving now. Dietrich has a go. Test the gloves of Pack. He passes with flying colors this time as he pushes wide. Pistons pumping. It was Dietrich from deep distance. Just smacking the ball until Real Gil's heroics late on in the 100th minute against Central Valley Fuego to draw level at 2-2. Dietrich nearly made it the second of the season there. Pack had it covered. Oprah renews the interest across the goal mouth. Still for grabs. Dietrich just touched wide. Oprah with a smart ball in to Martinez, who just put pace to it. Rendon couldn't finish, then Dietrich couldn't either. Spielman. Fleet feet from him. It's Obertan holding off the defender Garcia. Obertan tests Lalo Delgado at the other end, and Lalo fumbles it away. That will get them drawn into the contest for sure. Obertan slashing that ball. That's always tough for a goalkeeper trying to. Gabriel Obertan. Left short. Lurched in and launched away. 2 whistles in the half. Putting 2 hands to it. That's Jackson Dietrich. And now the cavalry comes. Wide, Oprah. Decent ball, back post, it's Noah Powder! Ringing the posts. No risk taken. Crash downfield, into the box. Oprah turns himself free. Dietrich! Just high. Frustrating day for J.C. Obregon. Entered the contest with 10 goals in all competitions. The ball comes into the area and somehow finds its way in. What happened there? J.C. Obregon catches the opponent napping and leaves 10 goals in the rear view on the season. That's 11 now, and that's the point of difference. Here it comes, played short. Dietrich across the frame, and Levy comes big. Digs it out after an awkward hop right in his lap. Rainbowing down the far touchline, Obertot with room to reach it. Nga. Stabbed away. Not done away with entirely, though. Rendon keeping it in play. He switched sides now, picking up pockets on the near side. There was no advantage to be played after a bump. Rendon adjusts his sock as play continues behind him. A pair of changes appear to be on the cards for Northern Colorado at the next opportunity. Powder, a mazy dribble. Puts his foot on the ball. Wide to Oprah. Those wingbacks have been so valuable in this season for Northern Colorado, trying to make an impact. Back post and touched over the frame. Hailstorm looking to invigorate the aerial targets. Ball in, and Levy sees it sting his gloves, only to be clutched off the ricochet. Checking in, King. Sails it into the area. Rendona's down. Now he's back up, puts a head to that. Gill. Real Gill. Swerving it across the 6. And ushered to the other end. Delgado's out of goal. But it won't matter. Full time. Charlotte Independence come on the road. The Jacks jump the hurdle.